Hi and welcome back to the making of the Lilly's Diamond Square. Here today we are going to join our squares. I only made 4 squares here. As you can see, the Lilly's Diamond Square is quite big, so I can fit my 2 hands inside. It's nice because you can finish your project faster. And the way I'm going to join it is like this, I think. No, this way. Like this. And I'm going to be joining it the fastest, I would say. We can do a single crochet join from here. Make a single crochet all the way through there and up, and then single crochets all the way here horizontally. But we're going to do a different way. I think it's a nice bump if we do the slip stitch method. So, and I would like to try that as well and show you how it is done. So let's go ahead and let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is to align your work like this, and then I'm going to make a slip knot. So I've got a slip knot here, so I'm just going to focus my work first. Okay, so here into the first corner here I'm going to make a slip stitch. Okay, just do the first one here, just to take everything at the back. Now into the next corner here, I'm going to insert my hook. So we are in the corner space, and then make a slip stitch. So instead of making a slip stitch into here, we're going to make the slip stitch into the other side. So here I'm going to insert my hook into the first double crochet here, and then make a slip stitch again. And now into the first double crochet here, I'm going to insert my hook like this, and then make a slip stitch. And do on the other side, make a slip stitch. We'll see anyway how it looks. And then into the next stitch here, make a slip stitch. So this is a zigzag slip stitch method, I would say. So we're not going to skip any stitches, so you just follow along. And we're just making a slip stitch, zigzagging stitches on both sides. It's actually quite nice. Once I finish these 2, we are going to make a closer look. So as you can see, it's just a simple slip stitch. Okay, this is where we join. As you can see, just insert your hook somewhere there. It's gonna be a little bit tight. And then it seems I'm going to do it twice here and to the same space. Okay. To the next. Okay, it's looking great. So I hope you are following this. This is just a simple slip stitch. As you can see, the working yarn is at the back, so it's easy to yarn over and make a pull the slip stitch, and make a yarn over and pull it through. So we want to make sure that we are in the right track here. Okay, so I'm here into the third stitch here. Now I'll be making the corner and then the corner here. Now I'm going to join the next corner, but before we do that, let's take a look at the join. So what do you think? It looks great. I like it. I hope you do too. Let's give it a go. I think this way. So we're going to make a slip stitch. Make sure your yarn is underneath. Hang on. Let's do it again. Okay, so I'm going to insert my hook into this corner space and make the slip stitch. And then I'm going to insert my hook into the corner here and make the slip stitch. That means I'm going to insert my hook into the next double crochet here on this left side, and then double crochet into the next double crochet, slip stitch into the next double crochet on the other side, which is that double crochet here, the first double crochet. Now I'm on the second double crochet here, and I should be on the second double crochet on the other side. So we want to make sure they are aligned. So this is the fourth, and this is the fourth, fifth, and this is the fifth. And then the 6 double crochets, and then the 6 double crochets. So all is well and it's counting, and I'm going to continue this all the way through. think this is a nice join for the granny square because you've got loads of stitches. You don't have like chain one spaces, at least for this pattern. So we should end our stitch on the right side of the square. So I'm here now into the corner, then into the corner here. And I'm going to cut this off, and we'll tidy up that corner after. So let's take a look. I like this kind of join. Okay, it's nice and tight. And now we're going to do the same on this side. So like what we did, I'm going to make a slip knot. And then I'm going to insert my hook first into the corner here on the left square. And just make a slip stitch. And then into the next, onto the right corner here, on the right square, make your first slip stitch. Then we can start with the double crochets here. And we'll see what we can do when we get to the crossover there by the bridge into this corner here. I would say this is my new favorite join. So I would say that this tutorial will be quick because it's nice and easy. Okay, we're towards the corner now. So make sure you don't miss a stitch. So this is the last double crochets here. Okay, so since the corner here, I don't think we need to make a stitch. Maybe we'll try it. So I'm here into the corner. Oops, I'm going to make a slip stitch here. Into the make sure we take that all yarn. Then I've got the next corner here, and then I've got another corner here on the next square. So we made 4 slip stitches into the 4 corners. I think it looks good. It's not that it's not a problem. And then we can proceed to double crochets. So as long as you don't miss a stitch, it looks great. We are in the corners now, and that's the end of it. And there you have it. So let me zoom out. So this is the join. Let's take a look at the back. It's actually okay. Actually good. They're all uniform. And the back is, the front is here. Let me have a focus. So there you are. So that's how it looks. A little bit closer. Check. I think it's the best join for a granny square. As you can see, my corner space here don't have enough, it didn't make any holes. So it's because my corner stitches here are just chain 2. So what do you think of this project? So this is Lilly's Diamond Square, and thank you for watching. I hope you like this video, and I'll see you again next time.